Welcome to this property tour at 3173 Riverboat Way in the town's Tuskawilla Commons Subdivision in Oviedo, Florida. Situated in Seminole County within Metro Orlando, this beautiful townhome, priced at $485,000, promises modern living with an eco-friendly touch. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, blending style with functionality. Join me to explore this elegant interior and top-notch amenities. Within its prime location, just 5 minutes away, you're going to see UCF and quick access to the Florida 417 and 426, plus nearby trails, a dog park, and excellent schools. Every corner of this community offers something special. So let's discover why this place might just be what you're looking for. Now, if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Miguel Malagon with eXp Realty here in Orlando, and every week I assist people just like you in navigating the Orlando real estate market. If you're looking to buy, sell, or you're considering relocating anywhere in Metro Orlando, I am here to support you every step of the way, and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. If you're interested in this property or need help exploring any other options, feel free to contact me directly. All of my information is in the description below. Stand by for the property tour coming up next.
As we approach this stunning home, take note of the carefully designed exterior featuring stylish brick-paved driveway that leads to a black garage door surrounded by two-tone gray and white painted walls, enhanced by the stone veneer accents. Upon entering, we step into this 1,731 square foot interior built in 2023 that boasts 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, complemented by a 2-car garage. The living room welcomes us with generous spacing, highlighted by the durable and stylish tile flooring that stretches across the entirety of the first floor. Next, we discover the conveniently located half bathroom. And nearby, under the stairs, there's a practical storage closet, perfect for keeping the living areas uncluttered. As we continue, the dining area opens up, leading directly into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Here, the expansive countertops offer ample room for meal preparation, complemented by generous cabinet space and white tile backsplash that maintains the home's modern two-tone theme. The kitchen also features a well-placed pantry in the corner, optimizing the space for storage and accessibility. Let's venture outside to the covered lounge area. Here we can see a great example of how to utilize the space, showcasing a thoughtful extension of the living space. Now it's time to explore the second floor, and as we ascend the stairs, we notice the seamless transition from tile to carpet, adding a touch of warmth underfoot. At the top of the stairs, there's an additional living area, currently set up as an office or music studio, offering flexibility depending on your lifestyle needs. In the laundry area, The practical tile flooring continues, providing a functional space equipped to handle all household chores. As we continue, the hallway leads us into the master bedroom. The master bathroom features a relaxing tub, a separate shower, and dual sink vanities that mirror the aesthetics found in the kitchen, completed with a private toilet area and a walk-in closet for extensive storage. On the opposite side of the master bedroom, now we'll take a look at the second bedroom, third bedroom, and the second full bathroom, located conveniently in the hallway, ensuring easy access for both guests and residents.
Are you thinking about selling your home? Let's discuss how our tailored marketing strategies can maximize your property's exposure and secure the best possible sales price. If you're buying a home and that is your goal, I am here to help with that as well. For any questions or more information, just check out the description below for all my contact details. If you enjoyed this property tour, for more like this, check out my property tours checklist and consider subscribing to the channel. Ciao.